Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So, hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So, yeah, first thing first, we gonna cut off both of these ends. Then we gonna take some of this peel off. Not gonna worry about taking all the peel off. And if you like the peel, leave the peel on. Because I like the peel, but my wife don't. So I take some off, leave some on. Now we're gonna cut these into 1/2-inch slices. Now after we get all our eggplant cut, we're gonna go ahead and rain on them. Hit them with a little salt. And then we're gonna let them sit for about 30 minutes. After they sit, it's time to do that breading process, y'all. Go ahead and dunk it in that flour. Then into our egg yolk. Make sure you get that yolk coated really well. And then we're gonna go into our breadcrumbs. Now the breadcrumbs that I'm using are seasoned Italian breadcrumbs. But you can use panko or just about anything that you want to use. So let's show that one more time. Into the flour. Into our egg. And hey, while you're here, don't forget to give your boy that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe, y'all. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, and if you're new, hit that notification bell too, so you know when I upload a video. And into our breadcrumbs. And once we get them all breaded up, let's go ahead and to our vegetable oil, which is at 350 degrees. We gonna fry these up, y'all, until we get that beautiful golden brown color. These are looking good, looking real tasty. Let's get them on out this grease. Oh yeah, y'all. Thought those look tasty? I know they look tasty. Oh my goodness. Now when you take them out their grease, you can hit them with a little salt right when they get out. Add to that flavor. But anyway, let's cut one up. And give it a good taste. Oh my. See, that's what I'm talking about. Meatless Monday, y'all. Meatless Monday. But anyway, y'all, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.